blue. Here we go. Alright, let's have a look at this roof. I think this is a little bit low maybe. Oop, highlight this. One for your verts. How about all of these? It just looks like it dips a little bit. Doesn't look quite right. Let's raise it a little bit. I know it's different on the blueprint, but the blueprints don't always look right. And then once just a little bit, I think. There we go. There we go. Nice curve to that there now. Okay, right, so let's add this. Is it a roof spoiler? Doesn't spoil the roof. Spoils the air, I guess, is the idea. Let's have a look at some images. Come on. That's not the right one. That's not the right one. Come on. There we go. Right. So we can see this is actually stuck on with bits of tape, I'm guessing, with a super glue. Only joking. It's screwed on. And the rear one also. So for these, it's just behind that angle there. That's quite more of a severe angle, isn't it, rather than the curve that we have. Let's throw in a couple of edges first. For there, yeah. Right. Oh, actually, should we get rid of this? Because that expanse there, it just doesn't look right. I feel that should be lying over a bit further as well. Oop. So that one, control, and then that one. See how that's sticking out a little bit there? Doesn't look quite right, does it? Excuse me. That one to there, control. Slide it over. Try to keep this gap the same as this gap. Right, need to get rid of this peculiar looking part. I think if yeah, it may be okay, you know. Doesn't look too bad, to be fair. Is there just a couple of vertices? Okay, I'll tell you what, let's put an edge in there. Oh, see what that's just done there. Created a bit of a mess there, so nice and simple. Control R, two loops, left click then right click. That's corrected that. And if we put another one of these in here, I still don't like that, to be fair. Three for sale view. Let's move it up a bit. This looks like it needs to move up. Oops. In X-ray mode. so it selects that vert at the back also. I can't help but putting curves in rather than that being an angle. GG, light that up. See, it's tightening it up a little bit. GG. Slide that one back a little bit. That looks better. Right, so from the image, if we take that is that corner point, I know it's not very sharp. It seems to come, looking at the image, to about here and back all the way to the window. So if we can highlight them and then shift that one, just ignore that one for no, we'll put that one in as well. Okay, shift D and now P to separate by selection. Now we'll just align these. What we could do is go by face and individual elements. So we don't want to project onto ourselves, so just deactivate that one, and then as we slide these, make sure the magnet's on and just line them up. And then in theory that should be snapping to whatever's below it. For example, if we move it over there, maybe it's sticking. We don't want it that far. Right. Right, so we use that as the front edge. So this needs to come up and over. Oh, make sure that's deactivated again. And just put that back on vertex. You're going to need to project on itself a vertex because it snaps to vertex. Or vert. That one looks like it's floating there, doesn't it? Let's try that again. Yeah. There we go. Alright, so into 3. Oh, we'll just extrude that. So glancing at the reference, it seems to go quite far. And bring it over. Extrude X. Just to create that curve there. Extrude X again. I could probably go over the middle to be fair. And just divide that up in a second. See, we get a shot from above. Well, not particularly from above, but kind of looking forward on. There we go. Right, I think I might have that image downloaded. There it is. Right, it just looks like a flat face, doesn't it? It doesn't seem to have any curve to it, if you see what I mean. Where's this one? So B maybe straight across. That seems unusual. And then comes out at the bottom again. Right. So that's going to be that one. So we need 1, 2, 3. Need this divided 3 times. 2. Use the mouse wheel to add. Select them 4. F. Put 2. Highlight that edge. F. 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 There we go. Kind of defeated the purpose there by the looks. So we need an edge in there. How about we put an edge across that. Deselect that one, slide them down on the Z. Just smooth that. So out of edit in object, right click, shade smooth. Back in the tab. I like this bottom edge. It needs a bit of a thickness to it, so we'll just slide it up a little bit. There we go. And then if we click this, click the center one, control that one and that one, and do an extrude on Y. Give it a little bit of thickness and do it one more time. Extrude Y. But this time this top edge, 3 side view, needs to come down here by the looks of it. And these two seem to come in a little bit. Do a little bit of that one as well. Okay, and then middle one, control to that one. We'll just do an extrude Z. I know that's created a triangle there, but I can scale Z, and that will pull that back edge down also. Actually do a scale on the Y, you'll see in a sec, because then that'll push it back to the window. And then just pull these down. Actually, just in case, we shall keep that up above. I might need to do these individually. Oh, there's the helicopter again. Fingers crossed you can't hear it. Alright, actually we could get away with doing that, couldn't we? There we go. Hide it down. M for merge, by distance. Still a quad there. 2, 3, 4. And then all of that, select the bottom edge and just extrude Z. Deselect them ones. I think the front ones need to come down a little bit more still. Leave them ones off, I think. Yeah. Pull them down. And rename. This is one of the spoilers, so we shall name it spoiler and roof. Then the rear one will be spoiler rear, because then it groups them together. And can you believe it? That's been 15 minutes or thereabouts. Although I still feel that needs to be tidied up, but just a little bit. What if we put edge in there? Which way is that going to go? Edge will go through there, get to there, and I'll go down through that way. That might work. GG, just keep them out there. Thank you. Get out of the car and knock on the door. Okay, well it's there. Oh, it already has a black on it. So one possibly done. Let's have a quick check of the other photo. Wrong one, that one. Motor side. Wrong one. Back on the look. Right, so now we'll just pull these to the left a bit. I think it might actually come down a little bit further, you know. Quickly select all of these. Like 20 minutes. Very hard to work in that view. And of course that's proven what to work with there now. Oops. Oh, come on. Just line them up, make them a nice curve. Of course, this is a different camera to the photo. Pretty hard to match. I don't think we're going to match the photo angle. There we go, we'll see it sticking out slightly more. This one's more to the side. Right then, so we'll leave that at a sec. We should just line that up nicely. Control S to save. That jumps forward. Don't forget to save. And I'll catch you in the next one.